Huh? Yeah. And the babies is over there, babe. All right, y'all.
Hey, what's going on? Y'all ain't said I ain't heard from me in a minute. I know, but I gotta get these babies out here. Let's see.
They've been requested by Gigi
Wait.
for airplane ride. Per mommy's request. Thank you, mommy, so much for your love and support.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. No.
And the Reborn Baby Dolls that's going home are these two over here that's in that chair. I forgot the name of the kids, y'all. Hold on, let me look on their birth certificate. We got Lila. Lila is the girl, and Brooklyn is the boy. Get that airplane ride. He over there struggling, y'all. You not getting my passy, Gigi?
You're trying to trick me, dude. What's up? What's up? What's up with that? What's up with that fist? You ready to hit me? Not before you leave, though. Okay, you ready to get that plane ride?
Bye, man.
You like, what? Like, what? Ready? Okay, let's go. Going to the airport in the limousine. You get the limousine ride to the airport. Okay, we at the airport. Got there pretty quick. Oh. Okay, there we go. We got you. Plane. Ready for takeoff? Okay. Goes. Looking out the window. Going down the runway. Whoa, he's like, whoa. He's like, what's all this bumping and jumping? It's a lot of turbulence there. He's like, mommy, I'm ready to come see you, but it's bumpy. Oh, we almost clearing. We almost there. We almost hit your mommies.
He got to travel first.
About to land. You gotta hold on tight, ball those fists up if they don't land right. Don't come in too fast. Yeah, tell them don't be coming in so fast. Oh, landing.
That's a bumpy ride.
They had you too bumpy?
It was bumpy, Gigi.
He said no.
Okay.
He just had his fist balled up and ready.
Okay. Look at them little feet.
He said they came from the airplane ride. They was just shaking and running.
Put his legs down, Gigi.
He said you want your legs down.
Thank you, Gigi.
Uh-oh, what about these old hands?
They fine because the blanket white.
You don't need no boxing gloves on them. Because he got both of them fists like he ready to put the dukes box up on somebody.
He coming for you, girl. Hold on. His sister over there waiting. His sister like, what about me?
Blink, blink down.
He coming, girl. Bye, princess. Say, I see you soon, mommy. Little nuke.
She said, I might be asleep. I'm so sleepy. She said, I'm sleepy.
Wake up, girl.
She said, huh? Okay, it was time to go. Let's get in your limo. Brother waiting on you and your mommy. Over there. Okay. Let's get to the airport. Okay, that word airport that fast. It wasn't too far. Get on this plane so we don't miss the flight. Okay. Oh, nice and comfy. Alright. Ready for takeoff too? She said no. She said
Oh, you want
takeoff.
that with TT? You want that? Oh, you want that with TT? Oh, yeah, you want to play with the babies.
Bye-bye, though.
Bye,
Gotta go
princess.
see
Yeah,
mommy.
you gotta go see mama.
Okay. When the plane is ready to take off, we're gonna take you a little nap. Said, whoa, it's going up too high. Plane going so, why is it spinning around?
Now, I'm dizzy, Gigi. I'm dizzy.
Oh, they're coming in for the landing.
Uh-oh.
Turn around. They forgot your blanket. Uh-oh, they gotta go get your blanket. Uh-oh.
Look how she looking at you. She like, really, Gigi?
I know. We forgot. We was moving too fast.
Yeah. It's like, you want me to give, you wanted me to be knocked. All right, girl, you got your hugs. You gotta go now. You gotta go bye-bye. Stop playing. Stop doing the most, girl. Yeah, that's her Patsy.
Oh, okay, because she spit it now.
Yeah, she spit it out. She was doing the most. Bye, princess. And baby number 2 is going in the box.
This must be for a boy.
Yo.
Girl. There. Uh-oh.
What's wrong?
Where's the...
Oh, it's same. Those unisex. And we got they fake milk. Fake milk.
Milk.
And then we got their paperwork. Yeah. You was gonna try to do half and half. Now you can take some of them bubble things to fill the box. All right, Mommy. Thank you again for your love and support. Information on getting the Reborn Baby dolls from your TT. You can go to my website, babyandkidsunlimited.com. Also, make sure that you are following my Facebook because that is where I post the reborn babies that are going to be going in the shop. The ones that I'm working on, I'll be showing sneak peeks over there on my Facebook. And my Facebook is Baby and Kids Unlimited Reborn Nursery. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
If you want a baby, you can just go to babyandkidsunlimited.com. You can check out her Facebook at Baby and Kids Unlimited Reborn Nursery.
That's right. In my Instagram.
If you want to see what she be doing on Instagram, you can go to Baby and Kids Unlimited.
TikTok.
Baby and Kids Unlimited.
Pinterest.
She don't got one. She do not got Pinterest. She do not got one.
Why you don't think I have a Pinterest?
Because you don't even.
And now, if I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
Why you always
Deduct
trying? Dang, why you always trying to gamble something?
Because you don't believe me.
You always
If I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
You know, $20 so you go upstairs and make an email address and the password.
No, you can look and see when I signed up.
I'm not finna do all that. I'm finna keep my little $20. I'm finna go get me some Wendy's.
Cause
And I'm finna make sure they put.
Why?
the
Because you know
sauce
your
in
mother don't lie?
it. No, but you don't lie.
No.
You Ma.
Niche.
Ma.
Niche.
Ma.
Niche.
You don't lie.
No. What I lie about?
I ain't even going to expose you.
Whatever.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Do yes.
All right, my woo 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 babies, my woo woo woos. See you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, see you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, I will see you later, later, later on the next video.